Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be going through the topic of diffusion, and I've made this PowerPoint a bit different today. So at the end I've attached some questions, exam questions and answers for you guys, so it'll be easier for you to revise. Okay, so what is diffusion? So diffusion is the net movement of particles in a solution or gas from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. So here in this picture you can see that the first pot has a high concentration of these red particles on the top left, but after through diffusion the red particles have evenly spread out. So the factors that can speed up diffusion. So the first one's temperature. So higher the temperature, faster the diffusion. The second one's concentration gradient. So bigger the difference in concentration, steeper the concentration gradient. And the third one is surface area to volume ratio. So larger surface area to volume ratio means faster diffusion. So diffusion in the lungs. So usually in the lungs the air goes through the trachea, bronchi and then alveoli. So in this picture you can see the one alveoli in the lung. So in the alveoli oxygen is being diffused into the blood and carbon dioxide is being diffused out of the blood. So some properties of alveoli is that it has a short diffusion pathway, a good blood supply, moist walls and a large surface area. So in this picture you can see the carbon dioxide moving out of the blood cells and oxygen moving into the blood cells, and you can also see that the diffusion pathway is very short as it's only 2 cell thick. Okay, now on to the diffusion in the digestive system. So in the small intestine there's a structure called villi. So villi are really good at absorbing nutrients and stuff from your food. So the villi have a good surface area, a good blood supply and a shorter diffusion pathway. So in this picture you can see 2 villi over here. So you can see that it has a very good blood supply and it has a very short diffusion pathway because it's only 1 cell thick. So this efficiently helps absorb particles from the food. So on to the exam questions. So you can pause the video here and complete this question. The answers in the next slide. Okay, so the answer was diffusion for the first one and the second one was A. So this is a bit hard, it's a 3 marker, so take some time to pause the video and answer the question. And the answer for this was that it moves through diffusion from a high concentration to a low concentration through a cell membrane. Okay, thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe.